Hello YouTube, this is Dynamic FA. Today I'm going to talk about how to use bit logic operator component in the RobotStudio. Let's have a look. Okay, this is the station we have built in the previous video. I will show you the problem of this station. So now it's ready, and then I created the product, and then it keeps going, and it stopped when product hit the sensor. If I send another one, let's have a look. It just passes and keeps going. So this is the problem, because in the design, this one, once it trigger and rising pulse trigger this one, and then next one coming, but it's already triggered, set 1, it should go 0 and back up and then delete next one. So basically we're not able to delete the second one. So that's why that happens. So what I'm going to do, instead of what I'm going to do is delete DQ, that the front part, and also I'm going to stop this conveyor too. Then just if I stop this conveyor, then whole queue will be stopped too. Okay, let's go back to compose, and then this add component, and here you can see the logic gate. So you can make the logic gate here. So if I click one, then logic gate 1 here, and this one here, you can change this one to not input A, output. Yeah, so once it stops, sensor is on, then I'll connect this one here, then invert output, and here. So this means something very at the end of the conveyor, then conveyor not running. It must be stopped. Something stop at the end of the conveyor, then linear move not gonna be activated. So we can test it again. Let me reset. Just delete it. I don't know why sometimes does this unable to reset. Doesn't matter. Start. And down. Or stop. Sorry, I don't think. Where is the over? Yeah, I don't need to press apply. Maybe I pressed apply already. Okay. Okay, and we started the simulation and equal mover and create one and then sending pass to the sensor, plane sensor. Okay. I'll create one more, the next one going, and stop holding, not just this one, stop holding. And then if you delete this part, we're not able to delete until we need to delete something like something by logic. So this is how we stop whole conveyor when something hit the sensor at the end of the conveyor. Okay, let me stop. And delete. Let me show you another problem of this conveyor. If I start and this is the problem. So I can create the multiple parts overlapped. So this one is no good. So we need to fix this problem. Reset. Okay. So this means we need a sensor in the loading position. Yeah. So something in this area, then it shouldn't create any parts. That means what do we need here? Sensor. So we have already learned plane sensor. I'm going to use the another plane sensor. Add component, sensor, plane sensor. Okay, and starting point, it's good. Origin, that's good. And axis 1, I think the size of the length of the product is 200 millimeter. So I'm thinking this one goes to 300 millimeter, and this one 100 millimeter. It was doesn't matter. 300 millimeter, and apply, and let's have a look. Yeah. Oh, sorry. This is not this one. So this is not the one. This is not the one what I want. Here and 0, 100. Apply. Okay. So this area, if you see the product, then this sensor area actually covering the product. So that means this gap here to there, this gap, the minimum distance between two product is this much from this corner to there. This is a minimum gap between the two parts. So Okay, the sensor is good. I'm happy. And then this one, what you need to do is yeah. Sorry. I will delete this one. Oh no. This one. Let me see. You need to do somewhere here, detectable by sensor. You have to take this off because this is a original product, so we don't use this one. We copy and make a new one. So if we leave it like this, even you make it invisible, but still this sensor detect all the time that parts. So that's why I did this one, modify detectable by sensors. No, so I just take it off. So that's good. Now we can see the mover and design. So basically we have added one more, getting messy. So the now this sensor basically this input basically create the parts, but I don't want this. I want to, even though someone press this button, this is activated, then I don't want that create part. So we need a logic. So add component, logic gate. Now we have one more logic. Main sensor 2. Logic gate 2. Design. It was hiding. So if you add something, then you can't see that component. Then you press auto range, then you can see that parts. So I don't have enough space. I'll bring it down a little bit and tidy up again. So, okay, looks better. So here, there's one more sensor here. Starting from one more sensor. Push it back. Okay, this is always activated. This is #1 priority, and this one connect A, and I want AND logic. This one sensor out. No, we can't use this one. This have to be off, clear. This is on, then something's there. Then, but we need the opposite logic. Okay, so we need the one more compose, one more logic gate, and so here. So logic gate. So this one have to be not and this one 2, and then okay, let me do like this way and this way, and this means nothing on the loading area, starting point. There's nothing, on the starting area, and also this one, and this is not. We can do like this, and this one here. So this means, and then this output here. Okay, this means nothing on the conveyor. So this is if this output is 1, that means something is conveyor, loading area, but we have inverted. This means nothing on the conveyor. Currently nothing on the conveyor, and 1 means okay. So this one, somebody pressed the button. That means nothing on the conveyor, and somebody pressed the button, then it can generate new product. Okay, I think this is it. So this we can we can avoid that creating parts overlapped. Okay, let's try. Now start it, mover, double click, and something is not right. Let's okay. Let's have a look. What's the problem? What is the problem? So it copy and created and give they all on the queue. This one output or 1. Looks alright. Let me try again. Okay. If you want to monitor, then start the simulation, and then you go back to mover edit, then you can see real value. So something, this is nothing on the conveyor. Because that part's not detectable. Okay, this okay, I know what this means. Stop, reset. I'm not sure whether I can do this way or not. Okay, back to sensible. Okay, I found it. execute. Okay. And let's see, design. But let me see, mover, execute Q2에 Q2 Okay, let me, hi guys, please let me stop and then I'll find the reason and I'll come back. Hi YouTube, just come back from the problem. I found the problem why, because linear mover not working. So this one, you need some sort of reset in the beginning. So basically this one have to be set when you start, always when we started the simulation. Then we can like do something, like we can probably need a proper the resetting procedure in the beginning, then that would be great, but that's too complicated. So I just do turn it on by manually, and then let's test it again. Here, compose, view, I will slow down, 1, apply, and make it 1, the linear move 1, and then start simulation, then mover, double click, then generate. It always keep certain distance, even though I keep pressing this button. So there's a minimum distance between these blocks, these products, and also it stop at the 5 meter. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.